Hello everyone, welcome back to this another video on QGIS. My name is Loic from Map Painters. Today we are going to explore about the layout panel of QGIS. As you know that in our previous video on QGIS we clipped this district from the whole district of Nepal. These are our selected district, and we also clipped the rivers that lies within this district using the clip function of QGIS. Today we are going to explore how to lay out these selected features in QGIS. First thing first, we need to click in project. Then we have a new print layout here. Just give it a name. For example, I'm going to give name like study map, and I'll click OK. Once you click OK, you will get this type of canvas here. Here you can see the name of our layout study map. Now, if you have any specific page properties, you can right click in this blank space, click in page properties, and you can change. For example, if you need in any other format rather than A4, you can choose accordingly. But for this tutorial, we are going to select the default A4. Then orientation, you can also change it to portrait. For now, we are going to give it a landscape. Then width, height, you can customize accordingly. And also background color, you can change as per your need. But for now, we are going to keep it default, that is white. In this layout, we are going to make study area map of our selected district. For that, we'll make three different layers. In this layer, we are going to keep the overall district of Nepal. And here we are going to keep selected district, and in large pen here we are going to input the file of those rivers and selected district. So first thing first we need to come back to this pan, and we'll just deselect all of this. So here we are going to keep only district of Nepal and selected district, that we have given name ROI. So let me change this name as well. I'm going to keep it like uh, a region of interest. Okay, so you only select those features that you want to add in your first layout. So here I want to add district of Nepal representing those selected district. Let's give this selected region some color. I'm going to click here in region of interest. Then I'll go to simple fill, and I'll fill colors, for example some yellowish color. Okay, we're going to give some yellow color. So now let's go back to layout. Let's click here in add map, or you can simply go to add item and select add map, and you can drag this layer like this, and you'll get this selected map. So click here to move item. You might want to zoom it a little bit, okay, like this, and you can, and I'm going to give it a frame. So let me click here in add frame, and color is black. So in this way we can add one of our features here. First of all, let's lock this feature, lock layers here, and okay, I'm locking this feature. And next, I need only this region of interest, so I'm going to unselect district, then go back to layout, and I'll simply add another layer like this, and I'm going to zoom it a little bit. Press Control and just scroll your mouse wheel, okay, like this. One another thing I have to do is I want to label those district so that it will be easy for us to identify. And let me refresh. Okay, so the district have been labeled here. I'm again going to give it a boundary frame that is black, and let me click here, and yes, and this has been added here. So for this also I have to lock this frame. Okay, map 2. Then I'm going to lock layer as well. For our last layer, we need region of interest as well as our clipped river. So for river, we are going to give color of something like this blue color. Maybe we can increase the stroke width like this, and maybe we don't need this level. Okay, and maybe we can going to make it transparent. Click here and go to transparent fill and like this. Okay, now we are going to add item to this map. Click add map, and here you can see that. Maybe give it a little bit of zoom. Okay, and again I'm going to give it a frame. Click on frame, color is all right. Go to select pan. It seems nice. Okay, so you can add text as well, or maybe you want to label the rivers. For that, right click here, show labels, and here once you refresh, label will come here. You can see that is the Magdi Khola, Kali Gandaki River, Mosami Nadia, and all. So these name are in Nepali. You can also change this name in English, but right now I'm going to keep it as a default. This map you can add more features, like go to add items, then a north arrow. Okay, click here, just give it a space, create this box, and you'll get a north arrow. You can change this according to your preference. For example, if you go to arrows, there are a lot of options. For example, I'm going to choose this as my arrow, so let me keep it here. Then you can also set some parameter, for example resize and replacement. I'm going to give it a zoom and resize. Maybe if you don't like this color, you can change the color. For example, I'm going to give it a kind of red color. Okay, let me drag this and keep it here. Likewise, you can add legend. For that, go to add item. There is a add legend option. Just give it a this type of boundary. So there are a lot of legend with clip, extracted, and random name. You can change that according to your preference. First of all, turn off this auto complete. Then go to this item. This is named clip. We want to give it name rivers of ROI. Okay, then maybe we don't need this extracted. I can remove this measure river also. I can remove this region of interest and district. For example, I'm going to give district of Nepal, and you can see they are changing as per our change in this section. Then you can change the fonts also. We don't we want to, for example, use open sans here. So they are the item levels. So let's go here, click in open sans, and maybe want to give it a light medium bold. As you can see here, the font are changed. Likewise, you can do a lot of things. I'm going to give it a frame. This sorry. Despite this, you can also add scale bar. Just click here and give it a scale bar like this. Okay, this is very small. Let me keep it here, and you can drag like this. Again, it's very small, so fix is 10 item. So maybe we can increase this. For example, 46 item, and drag this further. And you can also add some text here. To add text, there is a text symbol, or go to add item, dynamic text here. So you can keep a current date, map properties, layout name, author, and all a lot of things. Here you can select text, and you can keep text here. For example, I'm going to write Nepal, Nepal showing different region of interest in our study. For this also you can change the font. For right now I'm going to keep it default, and you can also customize this font and everything. Once you complete your map, you can simply go to layout, save as SVG or PDF or image format, whatever you like. I'm going to keep it as a image in my desktop. I'll click save. Then there's a export resolution. Usually I used to export my map in 300 dpi, and page width and height are adjusted according to your export resolution. So I'm going to click save. Okay, so after saving my map, it looks something like this. So this is a very basic map of study area. You can further add different thing of attribute here, maybe color this, and you can add the grid line, but it would be too long if I include everything in this one video. For that I'm going to make another video. So don't forget to subscribe Map Mentors and follow us for more such related content of GIS and image sensing. Thank you.